It's here for breaking news at Eba. And it's a Ghana, Yankasa, Yenia, a year Togo, Yenia Ketua Togo. Meka Yenia Ketua, Meka, like in relation to a year population. Yankasa Yenia Ketua Togo, coronavirus, Eduho. And we all know how Ghana, Yeni Togo border, are very porous. Like literally Ghana Nibia ebe to me and Nante aqua Togo mu. The border is very porous. You know, say coronavirus and then Togo for breaking news about say one more a confirmia Mr. Ghana for and was say you to me Emma Yeni Edaho. It was say you to me my Yeni Daho. Coronavirus a fianza air shas here say Eba Africa. Already Ewiase Encrophobia anti-asia say all this while coronavirus as a senior woman expect say e be spread e wo Africa no and share that and spread e wo Africa sa already akwa say ewiase ni na woman hwe say coronavirus e be spread e wo Africa na me ne wo yenim senior Africa most of us your systems here your hospitals here coronavirus here spread it say senior spread in European countries now. You and I know Africa and I hear the inchia eye bibia will be tenen nsa se wo chia na we nchia ne pe oni we nyansem mbrofofo mpo de wo mo mpechia eno mpo he sa coronavirus will be na wo de nsa fa nanim na wo be chia wa won so de nsa kofa we nim pe we nya bi se ne aga na so eye shi utumi ntame se wo bi ni wa won fa ne nsa mfa nanim obi wo hokra oni handkerchief Intenensa na sabi votin fifra no de nensa apepa handkerchief kra no sisi a experts na air train say enye yanto ntwene handkerchief a yede apepa yensa as far as coronavirus is there right now no yanto handkerchief ntwene na yankongoto tissue ne bo nya den 50 pesos 1 cd ne bo aye den a 2 cds mi bo tissue bi e wo menim kese me koto ya 2 cds me ko say me to tissue 2 cds bebre mi wo bi so da me ka card ya ne de 10 cds mi wo bi da table a me ye this particular way 2 cds me sre pe tissue sha ho utin fifra na wa wipe baby pad ato uni how me ne o kasa sisi a hand sanitizer da menim hand sanitizer ne bo nya de akoso a 10 cds wo bete say me de mensa eyewe o de tie minim say wo te sound na hand sanitizer na me de aye mensa tre say e da menim a me to hand sanitizer na enche bia na so se ne esa no wa wo hu ne say e yade a me use pan yesrew sa corona yi ewiase nimdiefo enhye da enya eye anu aduro but there are some things a wo betumi aye a corona yi emba mekan Mr. 1 as far as wonfa wonsa enko wenim no corona no unya senya coronavirus na spread ne say yafa ne say wo bi a wenya coronavirus no o de wonsa ka no na wo de wonsa ekko weni ana de wonsa ko waso ana ba bia corona yi benya wo inti ne pe hand sanitizer unim say wunam krom 10 minutes 30 minutes bia na o de hand sanitizer na ye onsa won person bia Mr. aba bedu Togo eba Nigeria at least Nigeria ne Ghana the distance kakra wo some 2-3 countries bi wo yentem eba Nigeria ne enim say oh etie for aba bedu Togo Mr. now it is not a matter of whether it will come to Ghana or not, it is a matter of when it will come to Ghana. Edu Togo and the breaking news ka eba ne say Ghana maami bi a wo ye US based Ghanaian and the Walande wa Ghana ye hwe ne sentence ni nyama ye rashe no eko kolebu and the me no ka say ya quarantine no ye test because you see what was symptoms of coronavirus ni ye test na wonya coronavirus and atre say Ghana we've confirmed our first case of coronavirus. Nti mesrɛw, baby ade na edui. There are some things you need to know. Echiechia basa no sisia no ma ode temporarily ban greeting people. Se wo betene won se echia nipa no ode ye no capo knuckles capo ode ye capo. Se obi tene ne sase wo chia na we nchia no na ne bufu kra ma ne bunfu. You are looking out for yourself, mesrɛw ma ne pako ne bunfu. Echiechia basa no eto ntwa. Mesrel, do well to avoid public places. Obako public places, making sure say we should protective gloves and our clothing. Mankrofumbo udin, masa, you are looking out for your health. Sa coronavirus, yari yenya no edro, obema yari nacho. Etiefo, Ghana has sent your system niti, yari rebecho. A doctor for class ro yare no. Yede nkrofo mienu eko kolebu say e ko test omo coronavirus. A doctor sa ewo kolebu ni adwane ye. A doctor for class ro yare no. Oba ma yare we achew. Ghana kra asebe yare a doctors e treat kra no eno kra ekokosi sen na yare a doctors esro. Yare no senia e kono. One shey na wa ma weni anda ho a etiefo and yare we so there are a lot of misinformation out there. Matise obi ka yare we anodro ya garlic, obi say yare we anodro ya baking soda, obi say yare no unu mensa ubo say masa yesremo sansem ni na as far as I know misinformation. Afiansa reasefo se wo mo ye dwumaden no mo nya vaccine against this disease. O mo nya no aduro at least se vaccine no e wo okra na yare no entumi enkan. Mesremo ma weni enda ho ababa bedu Togo. Yare na baba bedu Togo abenyen we dey enya matter of Togo me say obi a onimbia o de mon country Togo ni Ghana ye nanti o je nanti emra na meti water region sa Togo ni Ghana ye nanti emra meti water region me kai me nkola brem kra me koyera wo ho o market bia ye wo ho Togo for market me ne me ma me sa na ye wi mu a ye kodu Togo na o si mi njina ho na oba ya na mi ni ho Togo market oba na mini Togo ne Ghana de sa osanso ba na afi bebi a waka se me begina ma sanso begina se na na yem hyehye no mesrew Togo ne Ghana de ye nuanom aside Togo no another African country and there wo mo record South Africa wo mo nso aba iti utumi say Nigeria na eba first sha say eba African kitten kakran aside Nigeria no Egypt nso record bi South Africa Cameroon omo nso record na Togo mesremo sisi ayeka sub-Saharan Africa African countries womo ne Ghana sub-Saharan na 5 nkoa na record 5 nkoa Senegal enyomo de Senegal nso enyomo de mesremo yeninda ho so far safety precautions are media mauni make sure say every single day ana obe wash wonsa o de wunya nsosie kakra warm water kakra as a lukewarm water bi ana o de when nya warm water kana onya running tap insua ye fi pipe no na fa semina wonsa ye na hohoro nsa ho ye udi hu ni o horo nsa ho ya ubepe gloves bi na de nsa hye mu a mesre pesa gloves na fa nsa hye mu ba make sure say unya sa gloves na de nsa hye na uchicha ma nsa chicha nkrofo wie na wukokrum wie a memfa sa wonsa no enka wanim memfa sa gloves no nka wanim opesa wo de nsa efa wanim ana wo de nsa pepa wanim a mesre hand sanitizer na America seto no to na fa hye ho bebi a wuko bia fa ye wonsa ansa na wo de nsa fa wanim. So far that is how they are telling us say yare no air spreading. That is how they are telling us say yare no as far as one fa wonsa anka wanim one fa wonsa anka waso one fa wonsa anka hwene one fa wonsa anka wano no unya yare no. That is what they are telling us so far. Say as far as one fa wonsa anka all these parts, your head part of the body no unya yare no. Make sure yenim ebia na wanim keka now the wonsa akoka reflex action be mesre be conscious about it. Be very conscious. Don't tell me your comment box for me. That's it.